In the beginning, there was only desert. David Ben-Gurion saw what others could not. A future born in the sand. He believed that the future of Israel would emerge from the Negev. Ben-Gurion's vision inspired a dream. That dream became a university. And that university became a promise. A promise to build, to innovate, and to lead. Today, Ben-Gurion University is the heartbeat of the Negev, an engine of growth, resilience, and hope. The future of the Negev depends on BGU, a future built on 4 pillars: education, research, Negev development, community service. 3 campuses, 1 mission. Beersheba, Stable Care, Eilat. On an unimaginable day, our campuses, community, and country were changed forever. October 7th, 2023. Everything changed. In a moment, our lives were shattered. The attack shook our communities, our classrooms. Our hearts were broken. 1 in 10 lives lost on October 7th belong to the BGU community. BGU suffered directly and disproportionately. As a result of the recent Iranian missile strike, 30 BGU buildings suffered extensive damage, and several labs had years of groundbreaking research wiped out. And yet, we stood unified and strong. This is not just recovery. This is resilience. This is leadership. From the heart of the desert, Ben-Gurion University is leading the way forward. In the Negev, across Israel, and around the world. The past gave us vision. The present demands courage. The future is ours to build. BGU is a beacon of light. Rally with us around the best of Israel. Ben-Gurion University of the Negev. Past, present, future. Now more than ever, your support is needed. Together as partners in the remarkable, we can continue to lead the way forward.